Unpacking the phrase, bite into, a flavorful English lesson. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to sink our teeth into a common English phrase, bite into. Whether you're a seasoned speaker or just starting out, understanding these flavorful expressions can add zest to your English conversations. So, let's get started and bite into the heart of this delicious phrase. When you bite into something, you are literally using your teeth to penetrate or take a bite of something typically edible. Imagine biting into a juicy apple. The action is not just about touching the apple with your teeth, but actually sinking your teeth into it to break off a piece. This phrase can evoke a sensory experience that's easy to visualize and understand. Beyond the literal, bite into can also have a figurative meaning. It can describe the start of something that requires effort, like biting into a new project or task. When you say someone is biting into their work, it implies they are engaging with it actively and enthusiastically. It's about taking that initial, determined action on something. Now, let's look at some examples to see how bite into is used in different contexts. Literal sense, she couldn't wait to bite into the freshly baked pizza. Figurative sense, he decided to bite into the challenge of learning a new language. Notice how in both cases, the phrase conveys a sense of eagerness and the beginning of an experience. A crucial aspect of learning idiomatic expressions is knowing what not to do. When using bite into, remember that it implies a start and an action. It wouldn't make sense to use it for an ongoing action or something passive. For example, you wouldn't say, "He's biting into watching TV," because that's a passive activity that doesn't involve the sense of starting something actively. I hope this tasty lesson on the phrase, bite into, has given you some food for thought. Now you're ready to bite into English conversations with confidence. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to use these expressions as naturally as a native speaker. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next English adventure together.